In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager on Hostinger. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use Google Tag Manager in conjunction with your Hostinger website. So if you are doing this through the Hostinger website builder, you will be able to link your Google Tag Manager and make sure that both accounts are set up together. So to do this on the website builder, use the menu at the left side of the screen and go over to these three dots. When you click on these three dots, you will find integrations. This is where you can connect Google Tag Manager and plenty of other different services and accounts. So within integrations on Hostinger, on the website builder, you will find Google Tag Manager. If you don't see it right away, just scroll down because there will be plenty of options. Another example here would be WhatsApp. So once you go to Google Tag Manager, all that you have to do is copy the ID from your Google Tag Manager account. So it is going to be something like GTM followed by a bunch of numbers or letters. So you simply input it here. If you still need to acquire this tag, then it will be available when you go to the Google Tag Manager website. Your container name is going to be listed and the container ID will be displayed here. So you just highlight this and copy it. Once you have it, paste it on this page within integrations for Hostinger and save the changes. Make sure that you update your website and Google Tag Manager will now remain connected. You can modify this connection at any time. Just go over to the menu at the three dots, integrations, and you will find it linked here. The container ID will appear near the top of the window, formatted as whatever is displayed here, and as long as you establish this connection through the integrations part on your Hostinger website, it is going to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Google Tag Manager on Hostinger. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.